Well, I guess it's break time. I'm gonna have a little snack here. This is actually a full meal. I've got Fage, yogurt, Greek yogurt, strawberries, and I've got a nice strawberries. Those are peaches. Oh, that looks yummy. And I've got that nice honey on there, and I've got something else here. I'm not quite sure what here. Explain this. This is called nettle.
This is stinging nettle infusion, which is really almost straight chlorophyll.
And you just mix that up with water, right?
No, you have to take some herb and put in some boiling water in it and steep it for about 10 hours to get the goodness in this. And this is heavy in minerals and chlorophyll.
And if somebody wanted to make nettle, what would they do? Would they maybe they could go to YouTube, or they could Google nettle. How do you spell nettle?
N-E-T-T-L-E, but it's actually stinging nettle.
Stinging nettle, N-E-T-T-L-E, and that's going to give me a little bit of a boost. I'm right in the middle of cleaning. I'm sweating like a pig, and I need to get some energy, so I'm going to do that, and that's my meal. Oh yeah, thank you. Would you look at that? There's even some nice chopped up pecans in there. That's going to be yummy. If you don't know what Fage Greek yogurt is, where is it? Oh, here it is. Here it is. This stuff here. See? And how you pronounce that is Fage. Look, right here. Pronounced Fage. That is a good protein. Look how many proteins for one serving. 23 grams. That stuff is probably one of the better yogurts you can get. And speaking of better things, look at all this butter. Hey, this is homemade butter. All of this came out of 1 quart of cream.
Yes.
Yes, 1 quart of cream. I don't know if you saw that video when we went to the store. No, we didn't. This cream right here, this is all 100% cream, and we'll talk about that later. That one container right there made all of this butter. I'm not quite sure how that happened. Look at this. This is 100% natural, unpasteurized butter. This is really tasty stuff. And one of these days, I'm gonna show you how to make it. Stay tuned to my channel.